Step 1. Create and verify account. Download Binance app. Enable 2FA security to protect your funds. Step 2. Deposit funds. T2P, bank transfer, or crypto transfer. Step 3. P2P trading. Buy and sell crypto easily. Always check seller ratings. Avoid scams, trade safely. Step 4. Binance Earn and staking. Use Binance Earn for savings and staking. Longer staking equals higher rewards. Step 5. Withdraw profits. Go to Wallet Gives Withdraw. Choose P2P or bank transfer. Double-check details before confirming. Start earning with Binance today. Subscribe for more crypto tips.